All right, so we just got back from break. So today's writing is going to be all about things that you did while you were on break, taking a break with your family from school. So my first writing is about hot chocolate. And I have two sentences here. We're going to read them and then we're going to use our checklist to check the capitals, punctuation, and finger spacing. Over the break, I drank hot chocolate. It is so warm and yummy. First thing I need to look for are capital letters. I'm dealing with two sentences, so I should have one capital at the beginning of both sentences. I can already see here at the beginning of my first sentence, it needs a capital O to start the sentence. As I look through the next word, I see a capital T, but over the is not the beginning of the sentence, so I need to change it to a lowercase t. Over the break, I. Now, I is not the beginning of the sentence, but I is by itself. And anytime an I is by itself, it needs to be a capital letter. So I'm going to turn that I into a capital I. Over the break, I drank hot. Hot needs a lowercase h, chocolate. That's our new sentence, gets a capital letter and it already has one. It is so warm and yummy. Yummy has a capital letter, but it's not the beginning of my sentence, so I'm turning it into a lowercase. On the line, going underground. So I can check it off on my list. I've checked all my capital letters. Next thing I'm looking for is punctuation. Punctuation comes at the end of the sentence. Over the break, I drank hot chocolate. Period. There's already one there. It is so warm and yummy. Period. So I have two periods. I added one there. My punctuation looks good. Now I'm going to check the spacing between all of my words. Over the break, I drank hot chocolate. It is so warm and yummy. Finger spacing looks good. I'm going to read it to make sure it makes sense. I'm going to check for every word in the sentence. Over the break, I drank hot chocolate. It is so warm and yummy. All right, I've checked everything off of my checklist. On the next page, you are doing the same thing. You are reading and looking for mistakes in capitals, punctuation, and finger spacing.